Here's how to cook a great steak with a stainless steel pan. It's really important to pat your steak dry. The reason being that number one, it will stop your steak from sticking to the pan. And number two, it will allow you to form that beautiful crust on the outside of your steak. First, preheat your pan using the water drop test to ensure it's ready. Now add your oil, spread it around and ensure it's shimmering. Then increase your pan temperature to a medium-high heat and place your steak down away from you. Now the key thing here is patience. Leave the steak alone until it forms a natural crust. When the steak's ready to flip, it will naturally release from the pan. Now flip the steak, sear the other side, and cook to your preferred taste. Now the final really important step to cooking a steak is making sure it rests. So set your steak aside in a warm place and leave it before you eat it.